Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for the opportunity given to me to present my result proposal today. My name is Fitria Zalsabila from the English Education Study Program at Raden Fatah State Islamic University Palembang. Today, I would like to present my result proposal entitled The Relationship Among Students' Reading Motivation, Metacognitive Awareness, and Reading Comprehension Achievement of 11th grade senior high school students in Palembang. In this presentation, I will explain the background of the study, research question, research objective, literature review, various study, result method, data analysis, and hypothesis. I hope this presentation can help the audience understand my result proposal clearly. Now, let me begin my presentation. Reading is an important skill in English learning. Through reading activities, students can get information, increase knowledge, improve vocabulary, and understand ideas from text. In English, many material are presented in written form such as book, articles, stories, and learning modules. Because of that, students need good reading comprehension skill. Reading comprehension mean the ability to understand and interpret a text correctly. Students who have good reading comprehension skills can identify main ideas, understand supporting details, make inference, and understand vocabulary in the text. However, many students still face difficulties in reading English text. Some students have limited vocabulary, so they cannot understand the meaning of words in the text. Some students also feel bored during reading activities because they are not interested in reading English text. In addition, many students do not know effective reading strategies that can help them understand text better. As a result, students become passive during reading activities and often get low scores in reading comprehension. Because of these problems, the research wants to investigate factors that may influence students' reading comprehension achievement. The research focuses on two important factors. The first factor is reading motivation. Reading motivation refers to students' willingness, interest, and desires to engage in reading activities. Students who have high reading motivation usually enjoy reading activities and spend more time reading text. The second factor is metacognitive awareness. Metacognitive awareness refers to students' awareness and control of their thinking process during reading activities. Students with good metacognitive awareness are able to plan, monitor, and evaluate their understanding while reading text. Therefore, the research is interested in investigating the relationship among reading motivation, metacognitive awareness, and reading comprehension achievement. Based on the background of the study, the research formulates two research questions. Research question is one: is there a significant relationship among reading motivation, metacognitive awareness, and reading comprehension achievement of 11th grade students in Palembang? This question aims to find out whether the variables are related to each other. Number two, to what extent do reading motivation and metacognitive awareness contribute to students' reading comprehension achievement? This question aims to discover how much reading motivation and metacognitive awareness influence students' reading comprehension achievement. Through this question, the research hopes to understand the relationship among the variables clearly. Based on the research question, this study has two objectives. Number one, to investigate whether there is a significant relationship among reading motivation, metacognitive awareness, and reading comprehension achievement. Second, to examine the contribute of reading motivation and metacognitive awareness toward students' reading comprehension achievement. The research hopes this study can explain how psychological and cognitive factors influence students' reading performance. Okay, the study is as expected to provide the theoretical and practical significance. First is theoretical significance. Theoretically, this study is effective to provide additional information about the relationship among reading motivation, metacognitive awareness, and reading comprehension achievement. This study may also support the theories relate to physiological and cognitive factors in English learning. Second is practical significance. For teacher, this study may help teachers understand the importance of students' motivation and reading strategies during reading activities. Teacher can use better teaching method and strategies to improve students' reading comprehension. For students, this study may help students become more motivated and more aware of effective reading strategies. Students might also become more active and confident during reading activities. For future research, this study may become a useful references for conducting similar studies in the future. In this study, there are three main variables. The first variable is reading motivation. Reading motivation refers to students' willingness, interest, and desire to engage in reading activities. Students who have high motivation usually participate actively during classroom activities and spend more time reading text. Reading motivation consists of intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation means students read because they enjoy reading activities. For example, students read because they like stories or want to gain knowledge. Extrinsic motivation makes students read because of external factors such as guidance, assessment, rewards or encouragement, and from teacher and parents. Reading motivation is important because motivated students usually become more active readers. They are also more interested in understanding the content of the text. The second variable is metacognitive awareness. Metacognitive awareness refers to students' awareness and control of their thinking process during reading activities. Students with good metacognitive awareness are able to use effective reading strategies. There are three important components of metacognitive awareness. Number one is planning. Planning means students prepare strategies before reading. For example, students determine reading goals or predict the content of the text before reading. Number two is monitoring. Monitoring means students check their understanding during reading activities. For example, students read difficult part if they do not understand the text. Number three is evaluating. Evaluating means students reflect on their understanding after reading. For example, students think about whether they understand the text completely or not. Metacognitive awareness is important because students need strategy to understand text effectively. Next, several various studies have the causes reading motivation, metacognitive awareness, and reading comprehension achievement. One and these colleges found that reading motivation positively affect students' reading achievement. This means students who are motivated usually achieve better reading result. Another studies conducted by Rastegar and this challenges found that metacognitive awareness significantly improve reading comprehension achievement. Students who use reading strategies effectively usually understand text better. However, not all students showed the same result. Olmos found that there was no significant relationship between reading motivation and reading achievement. These inconsistent findings show that the relationship among these variables still needs further investigation. In addition, many previous studies examine these variables separately. This use a quantitative method with a correctional research design. The research uses quantitative research because the data will be analyzed using numbers and statistical analysis. The research chooses correctional research design because this study focus on investigating the relationship among variables. The research does not give treatment to the students but only measures the relationship among the variables. This study will be conducted at a Senior High School, Bina Sriwijaya, Palembang. The population of this study consists of 150 11th grade students. The sample consists of 8 students selected using cluster random sampling technique. The research chose 11th grade students because they already have enough experience in reading English text during classroom learning activities. The collected data will be analyzed using SPSS software. SPSS software is used because it helps the researcher analyze data more accurately and effectively. First, the research will conduct validity testing using person-product moment. This test is used to determine whether the instruments are valid or not. Second, the research will conduct reliability testing using Cambridge Alpha. This test is used to determine whether the instruments are reliable and consistent. After that, the research will conduct hypothesis testing using person correlation analysis. The research will calculate the correlation coefficients to determine the strength of the relationship among the variables. The results of the analysis will show whether the relationship is significant or not significant. The significant level used in the study is 0.05. If the significant value is lower than 0.05, it meaning there is a significant relationship among variables. Hypothesis. This study has null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis or H0 states that there is no significant relationship among reading motivation, metacognitive awareness, and reading comprehension achievement. Meanwhile, the alternative hypothesis or H1 states that there is a significant relationship among reading motivation, metacognitive awareness, and reading comprehension achievement. The hypothesis will be stated using statistical analysis. In conclusion, reading motivation and metacognitive awareness are important factors that may influence students' reading comprehension achievement. Students who are motivated and aware of reading strategies may become more effective readers. The research hopes that this study can provide useful contribute for the teachers, students, and future research in the field of English education. Thank you very much for your attention and participants. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.